My name is Akhil M and you're watching Tech Savior. So guys, this is kind of a new content that I'm gonna upload on my channel. It will be completely focused on the Flutter. For a couple of the first videos will be based on very basic factors about the Flutter. We will be going through very basic stuffs of the Flutter, and later on we will be doing some UI challenges, and after that we will be getting some into some advanced steps where we will be connecting the Flutter application with the Firebase and all. So guys, if you want to watch all those videos, consider subscribing below. And now let us get started with this video. So on this video we will be making a simple app bar using Flutter, and this is one of the basics things about the Flutter, and it is pretty easy to make those kind of things on the Flutter. So let me walk through what I have been done right now. So I have put a void function and a material app also, and the home currently I have stated it as an home function or a home class. It is an actual and stateful widget. So it is declared out here, it is a stateful widget, and it has been named as home, and I have stated as it to return a scaffold. So if you need a a lot of material app functionalities on your what to say app, you need to use scaffold. So inside the scaffold we could call something known as an app bar, and this takes another function known as app bar. So just by these two steps itself, if I sync it towards my application, you will be able to see that an app bar has been arrived on the application. So this is why I'm saying Flutter is pretty easy to learn, and it is pretty good for the future also. So just now we have made an app bar. The next thing that you want to do towards your app bar is to put some kind of a title. You need a title for your application. Title normally is a text, and for that we call something known as a title inside the app bar. So you have to call this inside the app bar, or else it won't be working. So title, the title takes text as its child, so give text like this, and what type in what you have to appear inside your app bar. So for now I'm just going into type it as a test, and if I sync it, you can see the test has been appeared on the app bar. Now you are saying that you are not liking the test to be on the left hand side of your app bar, you need it to be at the center portion of the app bar. You could do that also on the Flutter. You have to just call in something known as center title. Center title, and the center title takes boolean as an as a parameter. That means boolean means it takes only two values. It could be true or false. If you need the text to be at the center, you type in as true, and if you sync it, you can see that the test has been appeared at the center portion of the app bar. I'll be going through a couple of more things about the app bar, but I won't be covering everything about the app bar at this video itself. I will be uploading these kind of small videos into my YouTube channel. There will be a playlist based on the Flutter, so consider subscribing if you want to learn more about Flutter. We'll be going through a couple of more things about the app bar at this video itself. So you have the test at your center portion. Now you are not liking the background color of your app bar, so you can change the background color of the app bar. You have to type in as background color, and you have to type in as colors dot. Then you will be given with an array of colors which you could be used inside your app bar. So I will be leaving it as a red accent, and if I sync it, you can see that the app bar background color has been changed into red accent. And I will be just getting into one more thing about the app bar, that is the elevation. So what is elevation? The elevation gives the user a feeling that the app bar is like standing up towards them. What the elevation does is that it adds a small amount of blackness beneath the app bar. So it gives the user a feeling that the app bar is kind of standing out. So let us type in that. It is known as elevation. Sorry. So the elevation takes the integers as the parameter. So how much amount of elevation you require, you give that much amount of integer value into it. So for now, for sake of showing it, I will be leaving it as just maybe a 35. You don't normally use this much amount of value in your real application. So you can see a small amount of blackiness has been added beneath the app bar. It is not that visible because the background color of the whole application is currently white, but still you can see a little bit of those. So that's it, guys. We went through the pretty basic stuff of the Flutter. We has started our step one towards the Flutter, that is the app bar. We'll be in the future videos, I will be adding a lot of more content based on the app bar itself. You could add some drawers, left drawers towards the app bar. You could leave, make some action buttons out here. So that will be my next video. If you want to see that also, please consider subscribing, and thank you. I'm signing off.